Hello, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself to you guys. My name is Sharon V. Pereira, and I go by the brand name Luminous Guide, which is on my YouTube channel and my other social media platforms. Now, I have left my mundane corporate job as a strategist and business alliance partnership in marketing and sales. The job title is really amazing, and I enjoyed myself at that point in time, but it was really mundane, and I left it for my higher calling, for my higher purpose, and my divinely guided vision that I had. I have always lived a multi-dimensional personality lifestyle, and I'm a proud mother. I'm an author of this book, Unravel, which is now available on Flipkart and Amazon at no delivery charge. So you can purchase this. These are 5 short stories on women empowerment in different age groups. It's a fiction, obviously. I'm a lifestyle coach and an NLP trained counselor in mindfulness, law of attraction, pranic healing. I am an EFT practitioner as well, and I have psychic abilities that I have gained over the years, and I channel messages and solutions to my clients through my psychic abilities and intuition. So I definitely use tarot as the medium and the tool for it. So I totally believe that there is enough abundance for everyone in this world, and hence I keep conducting workshops. These workshops are for help you direct in the right direction. For example, these are workshops in divinations like moonology, tarot obviously, and angel therapy, crystal meditations, crystal therapy, and everything about crystals, about angels, about I have my tarot card right here, okay, about tarot and all of that. And apart from that, I also do conduct workshops for creative writing and content writing. Now, I had a vision when this whole COVID hit. I had a vision to collaborate with COVID affected small business owners, like a couple of us watching here, and who had the same business and like mind. So then we've collaborated with small business owners who produce and make beautiful 100% organic products like these bath soaps and these candles, etc. And I saw a keen interest, and I thought these will be amazing for my divination, because I anyway use use incense, and I use candles and all of them, but I wanted 100% organic. So we've collaborated with them, and these are manifestation candles. They work magic. Green is for abundance of finance, and red is for abundance in relationship. So I have started using them. I energize all these products and I sell it to my clients and to my students, and we have got amazing results. So these are available with me. Apart from that, these aura cleansing bath salts are also available. So the reason why I conduct workshops, I just want to get a bit into that, is because it's like a lot of us feel very fascinated towards one content or one topic at one point in time, but then later we realize that that is not really for us. For example, a lot of you may just love candles. I'm just giving you an example, and you may feel that you want to be a candle maker. But post doing the course, you may realize that no, that's not who you are. You just loved candle and you wanted to know more. So I do not think that it's important for people to break their banks initially. Hence, I conduct these small workshops, so that basic workshops, so you can realize what you really need and want. And then if you have a calling for the divination, or if you have a much liking for it, then I customize courses accordingly. So please feel free to get in touch with me, and feel free to seek my advice and help at any point in time. And I appreciate you tuning in and listening to this video. Passing much love and light to all of you. Till we meet again. Goodbye.